I would just like to take a moment to thank and honor all of our Texas hospitals that stepped up and served as the public health infrastructure for their communities during the COVID-19 pandemic.
The toll that COVID-19 took on our hospitals, healthcare workers, and the public will never be forgotten. And a new official day of recognition in Texas is ensuring that we reflect annually on everyone who made sacrifices during the worst pandemic in recent memory. With THA's support, Representative Bobby Guerra introduced a bill last year for Texas to recognize every March 4th as COVID-19 Heroes in Memorial Day. It honors the nearly 100,000 Texans who have lost their lives to COVID-19 and healthcare workers, first responders, and other essential workers who put their lives and health on the line during the worst of times.
I want to say thank you to our entire team at Titus Regional Medical Center for the way that they worked together during the COVID-19 crisis. Every day they showed up and worked as a team to solve some really unique problems, whether that was taking care out into the community through our EMS or figuring out a different way to create a whole new ICU over a holiday weekend. Our medical staff and our frontline team worked together every day to make sure that everyone had just what they needed during that time of crisis.
I'm Dr. Melanie Richburg from Tahoka, Texas, CEO at Lynn County Healthcare System. And I would like to honor and remember Sheriff Abraham Vega for losing his life to COVID-19. Our community was devastated by his loss.
You know, the Rio Grande Valley was hit very hard during COVID. We don't have a public health hospital, and so DHR really took the lead in ensuring that our community received vaccinations. We gave over 400,000 vaccines. We had, lines wrapped around the building coming in, and it was very important to us to really reach out to that community and protect our community and our staff.
THA supported its hospitals throughout the struggles of the pandemic, including advocacy for important federal waivers and flexibilities in state law that allowed facilities to handle an unprecedented time. Those included the suspension of state regulations that allowed hospitals to increase their bed counts, exceptions to prior authorization in Medicaid, and expanded telemedicine use.
I'm a G5 president at Texas Health Harris Methodist Hospital in Southwest Fort Worth, and I want to thank each of our team members across our hospital and health system and really across all of our Texas hospitals for being heroes throughout COVID-19, showing up every day, going above the call of duty, and doing their life's best work to serve those in our community. Thank you.
On behalf of UMC Health System in Lubbock, Texas, we want to thank our incredible team of providers and nurses and therapists and those away from the bedside that gave their all, that gave generously out of their hearts and out of their skilled hands to care for the countless COVID patients that came our way. We are grateful, we are indebted, we owe them a great deal.
On behalf of the hospital industry, we want to thank all of those who have been on the front line. Over the last 4 or 5 years, we have all been through things that maybe we never imagined that we would ever have to experience. And yet every single day, heroes were stepping up to provide care exactly when it was needed, where it was needed, even doing things that maybe they didn't normally do on a daily basis. So it is great to work with so many heroes every day to give all that they have for the health care of those around them.
I'm Steve Love at the DFW Hospital Council, and I just want to thank our COVID heroes, all the people that did everything they could to keep this virus down in Texas, from EMTs to the clinical frontline people to the people that supported them throughout the healthcare sector. You truly are heroes, and you truly saved lives.
Now, THA is encouraging hospitals and their communities across Texas to commemorate COVID-19 Heroes in Memorial Day each year and to partner on community events that remind everyone of what our healthcare heroes endured to bring our state through several years of struggle.